Hello friends and everyone, welcome to WorthCat tutorial. Today we will be draw this model in Autodesk Inventor 2016. So we'll start drawing this model from this part. As you can see the dimensions here, so we'll be using this dimension to make this drawing, so stay tuned. Let's start. We'll be starting by opening up a new part file. So come here, click this new, and then go to metric because I'll be using millimeter standard. So I'll create a standard part of millimeter dimensions. Select it and then create. So once it open up, now in Inventor, first we need to create a sketch. So how to create a sketch? Go to the 3D model tab and then click 2D sketch, this 2D, and then select the plane. This is the gizmo which is being shown. So select the plane that you want to create. I normally prefer XY plane. So if you have selected XY plane, so let's start create. So let's refer from this. What we'll do is we'll draw a sketch. Our sketch will start with this base rectangular block, this one. So we'll create a rectangle, click rectangle, just sketch a rectangle of your interest, and then we need to dimension it. From here, these are the dimension. The length is 60 units. So click dimension, then click this line, drag it down, click once, and then 60, enter. Now we need to make the dimension for this this height. The height is 8. Click here, drag it to the left, click the dimension, put 8, enter. So we've made the dimension, but as you know, for Autodesk Inventor, you need to consider 3 things: the dimension and the constraint, so that your geometry will be stable. So we need to constrain it. We need to push this point coincident to this point, so it will turn line, all lane will be blue, so it is fully constrained. Okay, so we have seen it, it's fully constrained. As you can see here, it is fully constrained. Okay, finish sketch. We need to extrude now. This is our dimension. The extrusion has to be of 38 units. Extrude to 38 units. You can just enter 38 units. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to create this vertical block. How to create this vertical block? It's just simple. What we'll do is that we'll go here, how much the depth. So let's select this part, and then create sketch. Okay, we have created the sketch. So project geometry. This surface, project it is a geometry that you will be referring. Click it, it will turn to yellow. Okay, from there click this edge. So we'll be drawing here. Sorry, we don't have to create. Okay, we can. Okay, let's just draw it here. Okay, you're done. So what are the dimension? The dimension is like that. The whole dimension from here to here. So let's look at the dimension from here up to here is what? It is 32. So let's make a dimension of 32. This is 32. Okay. And what is the thickness? The thickness is standard. The thickness is always has been 8. Okay, let's check it if it is 8. Okay, it's 8. Okay, so the dimension is 8. I will be sharing this dimensions so that you can work on yourself. So from here to here is 8. Then we finish the sketch, then extrude this portion, click it, and then select the side. This side is 38. We are done. Okay. So now, what we need to do now to create this geometry here. So we need to create a geometry and then to cut it. So what are the dimensions? Let's see. Click this one and then select the sketch. So we'll be drawing the sketch. Project the geometry on this surface and click this corner for a better view. Now let's draw a center line. So activate this center line. Okay, toggle it on and then choose a line. Select the midpoint of this line. Okay, this is the midpoint, and then a midpoint of and then now make it vertical. Click this constraint, vertical constraint, and then click it so it's vertical. Okay, so now we need to create let's convert this one, convert it into the okay, draw a line from here to here. Okay. Draw a line, make the dimension, and let's see how much the dimension from this point to this point. Big space. Okay, space. So it's 9 units. Okay, it's 9 units. So make the dimension from here to this point, 9 units. Okay, and dimension from here to here, make it 17. But here, okay. I'll make the dimension first in here, 17. It doesn't allow. Okay, just redraw it. Okay, make a dimension 17. Why? What the heck? Make it 17. And from here to here 9. Okay. So draw another line. Make sure we convert it back to the solid line, not the center line anymore. This point and this point. Now we are done. Convert this. Convert. Okay. Convert to. Okay. Draw a line here. Here. Okay. Now we need to extrude. Make sure that it's pretty tricky. It didn't work well. Let's try this point. This point. Okay. Finish sketch. It's pretty tricky in here. Hover your cursor to the point that you need to select only. Okay, so make it cut. This is cut. Okay, click cut. You can see it has cut. Okay, so now because it has to be also in here, it also needs to be here. So what we will do, is we're gonna this extrude command. This extrude command will be mirror it here. So go to part origin, see what's this makes it this plane visibility. So it's visible. Let's offset it. Click offset. Check this one, and then offset because this is Z positive. So we make 38/2. Okay. So hide this plane. Visibility toggle off. Okay. So click mirror. Select the part. This part is what we need to mirror. Click a plane, and then this is our plane now. Okay, so we've made a cut. Toggle off the visibility. Okay, what we need to do else? What else we need to do? Now we need to create this circle. Now let's finalize with these two holes. Okay. Click this one, create a sketch. Okay, click this one. Now ready. Make a circle. Any place, just to make circle here. Okay. What the dimension of circle? The dimension of circle is 80. Dimension is 80. 8 is 8. And the position from here to here is 9. Okay, from here to here is 9. Okay, and from here to here is 9. And also I can see it has been constrained parallel to this point. The center has been parallel to this point, so we need to constrain it. Parallel constraint. This point has to be parallel with this point. So we have constrained it fully. You can see it's fully constrained. Enter. So extrude this one. We need to cut. Okay. Now we need to mirror it over there. Select our work plane still, make it visible, and mirror this extrusion against this plane. Okay, we have made. Okay, toggle off the visibility. We will be using it again. Click here, create a sketch, project geometry. Now we make a circle. Oh, yeah. Okay, these are our circle. So make the dimension here. Make the dimensions. Dimension is what? The dimension. Dimension is 6. Make the dimension of 6 diameter. Okay. What are the dimensions from this side? Is 5. So from this point to this point is 5. Okay. And we need to make the dimension. Dimension from here to center, how much is 7? I need to make it 7. Dimension from here to here is 7. Okay, it's fully constrained. You can see fully constrained. Okay, now we need to extrude and cut. Extrude, cut. Okay, now switch the visibility back one. Okay, select this one, select mirror, our plane. This is our plane. Okay, so toggle off the visibility of our plane. So now we have finished it. Now we need to create a circle over here. So we need to create this circle. Okay, click this one, create circle. Okay, with geometry, this one, create a circle here. Okay, all the dimensions. Okay, the dimensions has to be. Let's constrain it first. To constrain it first, let's constrain it first. Let's constrain it with a vertical. This point has to be this point. No, vertical. This is vertical. This point has to be in this point, right? Okay. Okay, let's make dimension first. From here to here. Okay, dimension. We can see it from here. From here. Here. Now space, which is 27. 27. Click here. Now the dimension has to be 27. Now let's make it vertical because we cannot move over there. Okay. We need to show the distance here. So what are the distance from this point? This point space is 19. Okay, 19. And from here is 19. Okay. What our dimension is? Our dimension is radius is 12, meaning 24. Diameter is 24. Diameter is 24. Enter. Finalize the sketch. Extrude. This circle up. Extrude to a dimension of. Okay. We haven't included everything. Okay, the dimension is 20. Dimension is 20. Let's extrude it to 20. Extrude it to 20. To 0. Enter. Let's click this one. Click the hole. Back to the hole. Okay. Project geometry. And then cycle from this center. Mid. Okay, just make the dimension of. Let's see what are the dimension. Dimension is 16 diameter. 16 diameter. Okay, and extrusion. Make extrusion for this one. Cut. Enter. So you can see it. There is some extrusion. Not yet. So we didn't see an extrusion over here. So let's undo it. Flip. Distance. All. Cut. Now let's see. Okay. You can see the extrusion worked. Okay. Now we need to make some dimension here. You see this part. We need to create this part. Okay. Okay. Go here. Select the plan. Okay. Enter. Project geometry. Okay. Enter. Now let's change the view. Click view tab. Here wireframe. Okay. So go to sketch. Go to sketch from here up to here. Okay. Sorry, don't make it all the way. You will make it all the way, but let's start here. Okay, make it vertical with this. Okay, so you constrain it. The dimension. Okay. This one will work quite well. Okay. And the dimension has to be the dimension from here to here is 32. 32. We done it. We don't need to. Let's make this dimension. This dimension is 6 only. Okay. Now let's switch back to our view. This is our view. Let's move the 3D line. Okay, with this, and then here, click extrude. Select it. Okay, to a distance of this one. Okay, enter. Click this one, make a sketch. Project geometry. Click this one. Okay. Click a line. And from this point to this point, from this point to this point, from this point to this point. is fully constrained. Okay, understood. This one, cut, enter. So we have done it. Thank you, but let's change the color so it can be looks as real as possible. Okay, so let's see how to make color from this quick option, quick menu bar. Click appearance, select your shape, go to green. Let's check this screen, let's make this green. Add the appearance. Okay, it's done. Now we need to see metallic shapes. As you can see from here, there's some sort of metal, some sort of metallic glossy feel. You can see the cut. So let's make this one. Okay, come here, select those parts. So this one, and click shift, hold the shift, click the wait, let this to disappear. Click escape. Click this one, click this one, click this one, click this one. Hold the shift while you are clicking those. Okay, go to color, check material, steel. Okay, so it should be a glossy one. Let's make it here. How about this one? How about this one? How about this? 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 Don't click, just hover your mouse. How about this? How about this? How about this? Now let's see. How about this? I think how about this? Like this. So we need to go with this one. Okay, add material, and then you are done. You can see it's done. Huh? So that is how it is being done. The next part will be making the dimension, but for now let's make it for the next drawing, next video. Be sure to subscribe, and if you have anything, you have classwork you've been given, or you have an assignment, I will assist you. If you have a project to design these kind of parts, let me assist you through my Upwork link as a freelance. Thank you.